Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to do a side-to-side VPN between Palo Alto device and the Cisco device. I'm going to do it in the GNS3 in fast recording, the basic configuration, and then I'll explain the steps that you need to configure the Cisco and the Palo Alto. Right, let's do a basic configuration in a Cisco device. We set the IP address and interfaces, then we configure the IPsec. So here, interface gigabit 1/0. This one should be IP address 10.10.10.1.255.255.255.0. No chance. This one for gigabit 1/0, interface gigabit 2/0 should be IP address 192.168.21 and 255.255.255.0 is the subnet mask. No shot. Do show IP interface brief. Up. So that's a good sign that we can continue. Lab, remember that when we wanted to create a side-to-side VPN in Cisco devices, first of all, we created access list. So we created access list to allow the traffic from this subnet to 10 subnet. So IP access list extended ACL, I call it ACL. You can permit IP 192.168.20.0.255, sorry, wildcard mask, 0.0.0.255 and 192.168.10.0.0.0.255, like this. This is my access list. So I'm going to use the access list in um, my site-to-site VPN configuration. So first of all, we create a crypto ISACAM policy, and inside the policy, we define the encryption, the haggle. Remember the haggle? Crypto ISACAM policy, the policy number, like policy number 1. And then you can say encryption AES hash MD5 authentication haggle authentication pre-share key and group Diffie-Hellman 5. These are my configuration for ISACAM. And then you should use your uh, key here, crypto ISACAM key Cisco. Like we can call it, we can write here the key Cisco 123 address. The pure address is going to be 10.10.10.2. Here is 10.10.10.1, and I can write it here. Maybe that's better. So this one is 10.10.10.1, and this one is 10.10.10.2. So don't confuse. Here is 192.1. Sorry, 192.168.21/24. This one is 22/24. This one is 10.2/24. Oh my God. Yeah, that's good. And this one is 10.1/24. All right. So that's my peer address is 10.10.10.2. And then crypto, now we set the transform set, okay, and crypto IPsec transform set. You can name it whatever you like. I name it T set is better, transfer set. And then your encryption for AESP. So ESP is AES and ASP SHA HMAC. We don't set the, yeah, we don't set the lifetime. Lifetime set it as, because by default it's gonna be set, so we don't change the default setting. If you like, you can set the lifetime also. And then let's go to crypto map. So crypto map, and here you should add your um, class map that you created. So I create the class map, like class map, I call it C map, maybe that's better. And because here you should add the sequence number after the crypto class map. So you can add like 10, and then you can add your IPsec ISACAM. So under IPsec, you can set the peer again. Set peer is 10.10.10.2, and transform set that we set in previous step is transform set is this one, T set. So you just write it T set, and you should match it with your address. So my ACL was ACL. So you just add ACL here. And then we will assign this crypto CMAP to one interface. So the interface that we want to assign is this one, gigabit 1/0. So you just write here gigabit 1/0, and then crypto map your class map. So my class map was CMAP. So you just write CMAP here. And that's it. That's your ISACAM. Now I turn it to on. The next step for the router, you should route the traffic to your next hub. So I create a static route, IP route, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, set it my next hub, and this is the configuration for the router. All right, and now we're gonna configure this part, the Palo Alto. I think Palo Alto is ready now. Let's see. Admin, admin. Yeah, that's ready. So AB, I set the password here. And because I am using a static IP address, so I'm gonna set this one as 01. This one is 02. Set device config system type static. Set device config system IP address. Uh, yeah, here 192.168.0.1. Net mask 255.255.255.0. Great. Then commit your configuration. All right. So we should be able to reach to the firewall from web term 2 HTTPS 192.168.0.1. Not able? Try it again. Oh, it's not committed. We should wait. All right. Now we should be able to reach to the firewall. Yeah. And admin, your password. Then we're gonna set some basic configuration like Ethernet. 1/1 is layer 3, and we should configure 2 zones here, zone VPN, zone trust, the same as the previous session. So we're gonna go under zones, or we can do it in under interface. So I'm gonna go under network interfaces here. Ethernet 1/1. First, let's set the IP address is layer 3. This one is default router. Security zone. Let's put this one inside VPN zone. You can put it under untrusted. I put under VPN zone. I want to be the same as the lab document. And add the IP address 10.10.10.2/24. So this one is for Ethernet 1/1, 1/2 should be 10.1. 1/2 default. You can set this one. 1/2 should be on under trust zone. Okay, and IP version 4 is 192.168.10.1/24. Awesome. So, and that's for IP configuration. So definitely we need a tunnel here. So you create a tunnel the same as the previous session. So under default router, security zone, VPN. So this is a configuration for tunnel. And what else we need? We need route, virtual route. So we should route the traffic to tunnel, not the interface. So I created a static route here. Static route. And my destination is this network. So I'm going to write here 192.168.20.24. That's a subnet that we have. Interface, definitely tunnel 1. Next hub, we don't have a next hub. No, that's for Palo Alto configuration. And all right, so after this step, we have done the tunnel setting. Um, we haven't created the IKE. So we should go under IKE crypto and step by step create the Diffie-Hellman group, Haggle, and ESP, and then IKE gateway. All right, let's start. I start from IKE crypto. So my Cisco device, I call this one my IKE, sorry, crypto profile. So the Diffie-Hellman group that I set in Cisco, it should be exactly the same. So look at this one. I set the Diffie-Hellman here 5, hashing, authentication, pre-share key, encryption AES, and this one MD5, hash MD5. So let's start from Diffie-Hellman was group 5, authentication was MD5, yeah, and encryption was AES 128, right? So yeah, AES, and this one was MD5. So this one is lifetime, as I told you, that's the default time. So you don't need to change anything else here. So just set it as default. But if you have changed the lifetime in the Cisco router, you should change it here. We go to the next step, IPsec crypto. So I'm gonna create an IPsec crypto. My IPsec crypto profile. That's mine. And here in Cisco device, let me see. I created this part as a ASP AES and SHA-HMAC. That's it for ESP. So encryption is SHA. Sorry, encryption was AES 128, and authentication was SHA. This is the NIST rating 128, so you can select this one. It's SHA-1. Group Diffie-Hellman was 2. That's a default one that we are accepting here. And we go for the next step, IKE gateway. There's a lot of steps here. IKE gateway. So this one is my IKE gateway. The interface that we are talking is Ethernet 1/1. So Ethernet 1/1 and 10.10.10.2. That's right. Peer IP address was 10.10.10.1. And what was the pre-share key? Pre-share key that we entered here was Cisco something I entered. Cisco 123. I think, yeah, here. Cisco 123. So you enter here Cisco 123. Cisco 123. Identification, that's the same. Local is 10, 10, 10, 2. Peer is 10, 10, 10, 1. Oh, that's very important here because we previous session we used the default crypto profile, but here we created, so you should set this one my IKE crypto. You can use the exchange mode to any mode, main or aggressive. In the document of the lab, I suggested use main. There isn't any reason, just you can set any exchange mode. You know that main um, is slower than aggressive. Aggressive is faster. This one is more secure. Even we had inside the Kahoot this question, the exchange mode, auto, main, aggressive. And the rest of that, just leave it as a default. And yeah, we set the IKE gateway. Let's go to the next step. Next step is IPsec tunnel. So this one is our tunnel. So you can call it my tunnel. An interface of a tunnel is definitely is tunnel one. IKE gateway. So you created the gateway, IKE gateway in previous step. And IPsec crypto profile in the previous step, you created this one, my IPsec crypto profile. And that's very something that we need for this one. Remember that previous session told you when we have a different devices, we should set the proxy ID. So here you go and set the proxy ID. You can call it whatever you like you can call it uh, my proxy. So your local IP address here is 192.168.10.0/24, and the remote one, that's the other side, is 192.168.20.0/24. And yeah, that's it. And you click it, okay, okay, and that's your tunnel. All right, so then the final step, because we have set the virtual routes, the final step is setting the policy. So we are allowing the traffic from VPN to trust zone and from trust zone to VPN. So we can create a two policy here, VPN to trust zone. So then from VPN to trust, traffic is allowed. You can clone this one here and call it uh, trust to VPN, trust to VPN, and then change this one. This one source should be trust, destination should be VPN. That's it. What happened? It still is loading. Um, Something happened to my firewall. No, no, yeah, that's good. Yeah, you can commit your configuration then. Now it's a time to test our configuration and verify that we can ping or not. Let's go to web term. Which one? Web term 1. And ping here. Ping. Ping 192.168.22. Oops, destination unreachable. Oh, we have a ping. So we are having a ping, so that's not committed. It's 99%, but here we have a ping. Yeah, now it's committed. So if you, to verify that your tunnel is up, you go under network, IPsec tunnel is green. Green always is a good color. I like that. So yeah, it shows that your tunnel is on. Um, and yeah, so if you just go under monitor also, you can see the session browser. Traffic is coming here. Yeah, VPN to trust and trust the VPN. I hope this has been informative and thanks for watching.